If you're looking for a functional, compact SUV with both reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this 2018 BMW X2 in black sapphire metallic. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 19-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, rear window wiper and washer, LED tail lamps, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 34,000 miles on the odometer, 8.8-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, electric park brake, split folding rear seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 64398.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.